Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix THERMOMIX TM7 errors 55 and 56 that say scales deactivated. For that you may want to reset your device. Restart. You may want to restart your device. So first let's turn it off by pressing and holding on the button, on the power button, and wait until it shuts down. After it shuts down, I recommend unplugging it from power for half a minute and then plugging it back in. And after that, pressing on the button again to turn it on. Well, I would need to wait for a bit longer, but yeah, I recommend unplugging it for a moment and then plugging it back in, turning it on, and it should work. That is the only documented fix, and if it didn't work, then probably you'll need to contact the after-sales service. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.